Hello students, a very good day to all of you. Let's start with the second video of chapter number 1 of geography, that is the earth in the solar system. Firstly, let's recap what we have studied in the previous class. In previous class, we have seen the meaning of geography. We have seen what is solar system. We have also studied the fact about the sun, and also sun is called the head of solar system. Okay, we have also seen what are the celestial bodies, all the objects which we can see in the sky like sun, moon, stars, etc. are called celestial bodies. Also, we have seen that why moon and other bright objects are not being seen at the daytime, because of the bright light of sun. We are unable to see moon and other bright objects in the sky. We have also studied that planets do not have their own light, and the only source of light for planets is sun, and sun is a star. So students, now let's start with the other topics of the chapter. So the first topic which we will study today is constellations. Students, when you look at the sky in the night, you would be able to see a lot of stars. If you'll see these stars carefully, you will find some group of stars are forming some kind of pattern or design together. So, various patterns formed by a group of stars are called constellations. One of the example of such constellation is Ursa Major, that also means big bear. The most easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. Saptarishi constellation is made up of 7 stars, and it is a part of Ursa Major constellation only. Ursa Major constellation consists of lots of stars, and in that only there is a group of 7 stars which is known as Saptarishi constellation. Sapt means 7 and Rishi means sage. In Hindi we call it as Rishi Muni. In Hindi we call it as Rishi Muni. As and another important member of star is Pole star, and in Hindi we call it as Dhruv Tara. In ancient times, people used to determine the directions at night with the help of stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. That is why North Star is very important, because it does not change its position in the night sky. North Star indicates north direction, and we also call it as pole star. So the another name of North Star is pole star, and in Hindi we call it as Dhruv Tara. Actually, it is also in the sky and we are also moving, but its movement and our movement synchronize in a way that we feel that pole star is not moving from its position. So in Earth's sky, we feel pole star is fixed on its position, and it describes north direction. That's why it helps us to follow the direction. Also students, there is another fact. In daytime, in the ancient times, in daytime, they used to determine the directions from the sun. As sun rises from the east, so they used to recognize that they determine the direction from the sun in daytime, and from Dhruv Tara, that is a pole star, at night time. So students, how can we find a pole star at night? कैसे मिलेगा आपको, कहाँ पे है pole star? So finding pole star from Saptarishi constellation becomes easy. So we have studied about constellations. Now come to another important topic, that is galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. तो galaxy किससे बनती है? करोड़ों stars, dust clouds और various kinds of gases मिलके एक galaxy बनाती हैं. And many such galaxies together forms a universe. So मतलब कि पूरे यूनिवर्स में बहुत सारी गैलेक्सीज हैं, और इन्हीं गैलेक्सीज में बहुत सारे स्टार्स हैं, एंड इनमें से एक इंपॉर्टेंट गैलेक्सी है मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. So on any day, If you find a clear sky, just observe that there would be a glowing whitish way or a path across the sky. It glows so brightly because it is made up of millions of stars. And in previous class we studied that stars have their own light which they emit on other objects. Because of this reason it glows so brightly in the sky. And this band of light, this bright lights in the sky is known as the Milky Way galaxy. We, our Earth, our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy only. In ancient India, it looked like a beautiful river of light. That's why the Milky Way galaxy is also known as Akash Ganga. In Hindi, the Milky Way galaxy is called as Akash Ganga. So students, to sum up, we came to know that universe consists of many galaxies, and out of these galaxies there is one galaxy which is called the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy consists of the solar system and its 8 planets. So now we'll study about planets in brief, and we'll also study about planets in the next chapter as well, but today we are looking at some facts in brief. So what are planets? Okay, the celestial bodies which have their own heat and light are called stars. We studied in the last class. जिन celestial bodies की अपनी खुद की light और heat होती है वो stars होते हैं. तो planets क्या होते हैं? Planets वो celestial bodies होती हैं जिनकी खुद की heat और light नहीं होती है. वो अपनी heat और light किससे लेते हैं? Stars से लेते हैं. So the celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light are called planets. So planets do not have their own heat and light. They get lit up by the light of stars. They reflect the light of stars and that's why they look like lit up. ठीक है, उनमें लाइट कहाँ से आती है? बिकॉज वो रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं स्टार्स की लाइट को ही. द वर्ड्स planet comes from a Greek word plentei, which means wanderers. Wanderer means a person who travels aimlessly. That means जो इधर उधर wander करते रहते हैं. That means जो इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं उन्हें wanderers कहते हैं. For example, our Earth is also a planet and it gets its all heat and light किससे? इसके सबसे nearest star से. और सबसे nearest star जो Earth के है वो है Sun. Okay? So as we've talked about Earth, let's know little about Moon as well. Okay, Moon is a satellite, students. Moon is a satellite and it is a companion of our Earth and moves around it. You can see full moon only once in about a month time and we call it as Purnima. Purnima is also known as full moon. And a fortnight later, fortnight होता है a period of 2 weeks, a period of 2 weeks. मतलब कि पूर्णिमा की रात से 2 हफ्ते बाद आती है अमावस्या की रात. So on a fortnight later, मतलब 2 हफ्ते बाद you cannot see the moon और उस दिन होता है अमावस्या का दिन जिसे हम न्यू मून भी कहते हैं, a new moon night. So students, like our Earth, there are other 7 planets. So in total, we have 8 planets. They also get their heat and light from sun. सिर्फ Earth ही नहीं लेता sun से अपनी heat and light. All the other 7 planets also take their heat and light from sun only. So some of them also have their own satellite. कई planets की खुद की satellites भी होती हैं. और satellites जरूरी नहीं है कि एक ही हो. It can be more also. मतलब कि खुद के मून भी होते हैं क्योंकि मून इज अ नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. सो कहीं हमारा जैसे अर्थ का एक ही नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है मून, वैसे ही कुछ प्लैनेट्स के एक से ज्यादा सैटेलाइट्स भी होती हैं, एक से ज्यादा मून्स भी होते हैं. वी विल नो दिस अबाउट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज सैटेलाइट? A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. ठीक है, जैसे कि प्लैनेट सन के आसपास ऑर्बिट में मूव करते हैं ना, वैसे ही सैटेलाइट भी प्लैनेट के आसपास मूव करते हैं. So there are two types of satellites. One is natural and another is man-made satellite. नेचुरल सैटेलाइट का एग्जाम्पल है मून. जैसे अर्थ की नेचुरल सैटेलाइट कौन सी है? मून. एंड मैन मेड सैटेलाइट कौन सी है जिसको हम मैन मेड होता है ह्यूमन मेड सैटेलाइट. इट इज एन आर्टिफिशियल बॉडी which is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the earth. So it's important, students. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSET, IRS, EduSat, etc. So topics which we covered today: meanings of constellations, Ursa Major constellation, Saptarishi constellation. Saptarishi constellation is made up of 7 stars and is a part of Ursa Major constellation only. We have studied about Pole Star, which is also known as North Star, and in Hindi we call it as Dhruv Tara. We have seen what is galaxy and the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is a part of the galaxies which we have in the universe, and inside the Milky Way galaxy, as Milky Way galaxy किसका पार्ट है? बहुत सारी गैलेक्सीज होती है ना यूनिवर्स में, उसमें से एक गैलेक्सी है मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. और मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी के अंदर ही आता है एक सोलर सिस्टम. एंड सोलर सिस्टम के अंदर वी हैव सीन a brief about planets, and we have also seen what is satellite, and moon is a satellite, earth is a planet, and sun is a star. So students, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. Let's meet in the next class.